got a problem with me, then gon' get that off your chest. Cause I'm the type of nigga that ain't gon' settle for less. Too many problems in my life, I'm unable to change. I'm an academic nigga that's all about my change. So these off-brand ass niggas that ain't stacking no change ain't got no reason in my mix trying to tell me to change on how I get my grind on. You ain't where I'm at. Run up, get done up. Now you flat on your back, cause when you stun my range, tend to do something strange, like tie your neck in a noose, rob you, or leave you there to hang, or call them SWAT hard heads in my game, and put you in the trunk of that big body blue thing, but it's still the same, and I get down from my one deep, and I'm straight to the speed dial list when I'm on the phone and free. I don't give a fuck, hell yeah, that's my attitude, cause people would rather fuck you over than show gratitude.